So take a moment to introduce yourself and tell me a little about your company.
Okay. Hi, my name's Novi and I am in charge of marketing with the Bearboard Group. We are a manufacturer supplier of circuit boards that are manufactured mostly offshore. The whole premise behind our company is that we take the difficulties out of purchasing offshore, basically making it as easy as takeoff. We supply everything from 1 to 2 boards to millions of boards. A lot of our customers are smaller companies that couldn't go offshore on their own, but because of the purchasing volume that we do, we're able to get their small volume orders done at offshore prices.
Fantastic. Toby, tell me a little bit about why you came to AmCon today. You're here at the show. Tell me a little bit about your experience so far at the show today.
One of the big reasons that we do trade shows is we feel that it's a much more lucrative way to really get in with the customer, to speak with them face to face. I think that meeting people face to face is a much better way to get people to trust you, to want to learn about what you do, and to eventually buy from your company. We did the AmCon show, this show, specifically because we have reps in the area, and there hasn't been a really good outlet for us in Michigan to meet people, and we figured that, once again, trade shows, we like to do that, and so we came into AmCon today. The show has been fantastic. We've met a lot of people that are looking for exactly what we do, and I think that we're going to have very mutually beneficial relationships that have been created from the show.
Fantastic. Now, the people that are coming to your booth, I'm assuming that they're decision makers or they're far enough along where they're coming to you with a project that they want to specifically talk with you about?
Some of them, yes. We have spoken to a lot of purchasing managers, which is usually who's going to come through us, not necessarily the engineer, but the purchaser. A lot of people have projects ready. Some people are just looking for a new place to source. They like to have different options, and so they're kind of just feeling out, different options that they'll have for purchasing boards.
Great. Now, do you feel that AmCon is a good outlet for lead generation for your company in terms of identifying new opportunities from the people in the area?
Absolutely. Like I said, we have presence in this area, but we have met plenty of people that we haven't found on our own. And I think that that's one of the benefits to coming to AmCon, is that they're able to locate people that would need to use us, but we wouldn't be able to locate them on our own.
Toby, you mentioned how important it was for you to have face-to-face contact, the ability to establish a relationship. Has AmCon facilitated your ability to start those relationships with new customers?
Absolutely. Like I said, by them, locating people that we can't, bringing them in here and letting us actually speak with them face to face. It's much better than, say, them going to your website and reading and not being able to ask those personal questions, the small questions that you might not have thought of to put on your website. So face to face, they're able to ask us and get answers immediately, and I think that's very, very important.
Fantastic. So you're going home with some leads today?
Absolutely, we are. We're going home with quite a few, so I'm really excited about the potential for them to turn into new business relationships.
Fantastic. Toby, thank you so much.
Thank you.